Hi friends, welcome to Agnicart. In previous sessions, we covered how to add products and different variants and the process associated with it. Today, we are going to cover how to add product grid and in the home page, how to display different groups. As an example, I am taking fresh vegetables customer, and here is the site. Currently is having regular vegetables and leafy vegetables as two different product groups, and these are all displayed in home page. Now the requirement is we need to add organic vegetables as another product group and show it on the home page. As you have access, go to your admin page. In the admin page, we have to add a category. So let's say add category. The category name is organic vegetables. Because I have done previously, the auto pop-up came. Otherwise, we need to enter. Section is fresh vegetables, the menu item in the web page. There is no parent category. And the description, for simplicity, just I am writing organic vegetables. Currently, I am not uploading any image or updating SEO fields, but please update these as required. Save, and let's go to categories. The organic vegetables category is now ready. And before going and adding the products, let me create a product group. Go to widgets. And here in product groups, currently vegetables and leafy vegetables, two product groups are available. I'm adding another product group, and this is, we call it as organic vegetables. And title also, currently I'm giving the same title, but you can give any title as you wish. Center, and the number of columns, this is the number of images per row. Like in a desktop version, currently our customer is using 8 products in a single row. So I want to use the similar one. So here 8 images, and the button text order now. And the link, because I'm referring to only home page, just I'm giving slash. Otherwise you can use the page link here. Button position, I'm saying top. Submit, and this product group is ready, and it is asking for a products to add. Before adding the product, just will show you how to add this particular product group to the home page. So come to home page category. So this is a home page. Currently there are 2 product grids and carousel is set up here. I'm adding one more widget. This is a widget type is product grid, and whatever I created currently organic vegetables, and save. So now just test only this one without having any products. Refresh your site, and now you start seeing organic vegetables and the button text whatever you have given. As of now, there are no items added, so it is not showing. Let's go and add items. The products group, come here, and let's say add product, and the product name. See what I did here to make it simple. I'm ready with all my essential information for products. Now I'm going to add. For the example, I'm adding 2 products. 2 are both organic products, and also have given in Telugu language so that it is useful. Select category, organic vegetables, and product description. This is already available from my catalog. So I'm copying and saving here. and the cost of this particular product is 65 rupees, whereas my MRP or the reference price is 75 rupees. We are giving a discount of 10 rupees on this, and the product weight is 1000 grams and the quantity available is 20. And I'm going for manage inventory so that your whenever you sell or returns or adding a new quantity, it will be managed automatically to the program. And if you like to add any SKU, please add your SKU here and just save. And let's go to products. And here if you see, I haven't added any images. Let me add an image for this one, cabbage, and go to image section, add images, and I'm also ready with the images for this one. Let's go to cabbage one, add another image, okay, so I haven't missed anything. Save. Okay, now once the item is added, make sure that you publish this one so that it can be added to the product group and also it will be visible on the website. Now let's add one more item, product, cauliflower, category organic vegetables, and product description, which is I am ready with my preparation. And don't forget to add all the key fields. And here SKU I am maintaining 222 and the product price is 45 rupees and my reference price is 50. We are giving a 5 rupees discount here. Weight is 1000 grams. Product quantity 20. Manage inventory. Save and go to products. Again, I forgot to add images. Let me add images to this one. Cauliflower. Also, in addition to the images and general description, you can also add variants. But for this particular example, I'm not adding any variants. You can add variants like size and any other different options as required for the product. Now I'm simply saving. Okay, my products are ready now. And again, I'm publishing it so that it's available. Now the products are ready and we need to add this product to the product group. From the widgets, go to the product groups, select organic vegetables and add products. Select a product. Generally whatever you added recently, that will be shown here. And we are adding cabbaging and cauliflower. So we completed product group and addition to the home page and the products are added, prices are given. Let's go and see how it is displayed on this section. Okay, now we have both the items products that we added here and it is automatically calculated your discount price. 10% is on cauliflower and 13% on here, and it's order now and it is ready to check out and complete the order process. Thank you, and this is how we are going to add product grids in the home page. And in our previous session we completed adding products and variants and image groups and carousel and this is a product grid and how best we can use the Agnicart. It's self-explanatory. Please let us know for more details. Thank you. Thank you friends once again.